Welcome to Take Radio. I'm Frank KG5AHJ, and today I'm bringing you another short trailer thing. I do have an announcement. This coming Sunday, February 21st, 2 p.m. Central, because Texas is everything. I'm going to do my first stream. I am going to do live troubleshooting of an issue I'm having on a TYT 9800. So, join in, help me figure it out, and so I can get back on the air of my base station at home. Play that awesome intro video trailer thing. Roll the clip. This is the issue. Somehow on my TYT 9800, when I transmit on 2 meter, a Mexican station somehow gets interlaced with my signal, and I don't know where it's coming from. This is how it's going to work. I am going to show you video on the screen. When the video is in color, it is audio that is recorded on my end. When the video is in black and white, it is audio recorded from the point of view of the receiver. Starting this off here, I'm going to play the same clip twice. Once from my perspective.
Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet.
Then again from the receiver's perspective.
Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet.
This next clip is going to be a long running one. I am going to bounce between the two perspectives as I transmit.
Well, today I'm coming to you from my house, my QTH here. I have my favorite station accessory I'm using it right now is my mag-mount antenna. I couldn't tell you what brand and model it was. I bought it years ago when I first got my license, and I'm just... A number of times I've gone back and utilized this even after I put up a good antenna on my car. And it's just... I keep going back to this mag mount antenna in the apartments. I've used it on rails, temporarily stored it up on the rail in my apartment there. It's great, and now it's sitting on top of my chimney stack, and it's hitting all the way to Dallas, from Euless to Dallas, and I believe I'm running about 20 watts, so go ahead and give me a quick signal report here. This is KG5AHJ.
So join me Sunday, February 21st, 2 p.m. Central Time for live troubleshooting of the interlacing issue. See you there.